Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put a picture into the Google Slides that some of you guys are open about. So here's our lab, and this is the one that I've already done. So I'm going to click on the new one. Okay, and there is a button right here that says Insert Image. Now you're already going to have your image on your computer if you're doing this from a computer. So whether you, however you normally get your pictures onto your computer is what you would need to do. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to upload one from the computer. And I had put a picture right here on the computer, so I'm going to pick that one. And it's going to insert it. There's a picture of my backyard. And so this is where you can type your sentence. That's required. So again, to put a picture in, there's just a little box right up here. It looks like a little picture with a mountain on it, and you click Insert Image. If for some reason that's not there, you can always go to Insert an Image, and I uploaded it from my computer. So you would have to go ahead and have the image on your computer, or you can get it from any of these other locations if you keep yours in Google Photos or wherever. I will try to do one from a cell phone as well to help you guys with that. And if you have questions, just let me know.